Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Madhura. Um, I am a computer engineer by education and I've moved on to working in product marketing now, but it's still technology related. My mentee is Anvesha T. She's an eighth grader at Russell Middle School. So when we first started in October, she mentioned that she had just started working with her dad on a few programming kind of projects, and she wanted to learn more about it. And as we met, I also realized that she's a great artist. She used to bring her sketchbook with her, and I saw some of her sketches, and I asked her if she wanted to incorporate that along with, learning about programming. And that's kind of what we ended up doing, and she'll certainly share more about that. She's been a very sincere student. She's worked hard on the projects, on debugging things at home, after working over the weekends, which is when we used to meet. And Yeah, it's been great working with her. I've had a lot of fun. I think she has as well, and I hope she continues doing more along this line. Anvesha, come on up.
Hi guys, my name is Anvesha and I'm in Russell Middle School and I'm in 8th grade. So my mentor, Madhura, she works at company VMware where she's a product marketing manager. She has been working with Magic for 5 years now and she has been working in her profession for 18 years. And she's a lovely mentor. My magical experience. Thinking back before I started this, I wasn't really into programming because I didn't really think there was a point. Because I didn't really see something happening when I saw my dad working. It was just that him and coding, even though he tried to tell me what he actually created. But my mentor, Madhura, has been helping me learn and get motivated to work on coding. We usually meet up at a coffee shop, the Grindhouse Coffee Shop. It's a really vintage type of place, which made it more fun for us, a learning environment, as because I love food, and we usually just go there. It was very fun learning about all the behind the scenes of work and animated movie on YouTube. We researched the work that goes behind the scenes for famous animations such as Madagascar and Kung Fu Panda. We started off with learning about C++ since my dad already taught me a little bit of it. And one of my hobbies since I was little was painting, and I loved doing that, so we decided to do a project that involved one of my sketches. We did some research and came upon a way. Okay, so we ran over that. This research led me to learning that the greatest animations actually work like a flip book. And in order to do a flip book digitally, we had to learn programming. I started programming with the JavaScript basics with a simple math, for example, the for loops and conditional if statements. We did an animation course on Khan Academy and learned the different libraries used and the differences in each of the, what do you call it, just versions, I guess. And I also used the draw function from Khan Academy library to create an animation, and we transferred over to that to an HTML. This is my little demo and behind the storyboard. So, is Humpty Dumpty really as innocent as he was shown, or was he a vicious evil egg like in the movie Puss in the Boots? Here we will find out the truth. Athena is sent by Aphrodite to kill Humpty Dumpty as he stole her most precious prized possession, her golden mirror. Okay. We'll play this after. So this is my step-by-step demo on how we actually came upon our whole final product. So step one was we learned about JavaScript functions, and we created Humpty Dumpty using the ellipse function. We also created an arrow using the line function. Use the draw function to move the arrow and hit Humpty Dumpty, and use the draw function to have Humpty Dumpty get killed and roll to the ground. We downloaded an image of a wall from Google, and we searched, and I sketched Athena, and we uploaded to the computer. We also used the apps called PicMonkey and Magic Erasers on phones to like superimpose Athena's image into the image of the wall. We combined the animation with the image and create an HTML page which shows in the animation. Thank you.